In this video, we will highlight 5 metaverse and crypto gaming coins that have the potential to pump hard following the release of Apple Vision Pro. These crypto coins can make you huge gains. The Apple Vision Pro is a game changer in the world of augmented reality headsets. With cutting-edge capabilities, it promises an unrivaled experience in the metaverse. Integrating the Apple Vision Pro into the metaverse expands opportunities for both producers and users. This headgear allows users to explore virtual landscapes, interact with virtual items, and connect with other participants in real time by seamlessly integrating the physical and digital worlds. For blockchain and crypto companies operating in the metaverse realm, the Apple Vision Pro can be a big step forward. It becomes a new resource for these companies. The combination of the Vision Pro with blockchain technology enables decentralized ownership of in-game assets and supports a lively environment in which users control their virtual property. Some blockchain and metaverse companies have already signed some sort of partnership with Apple, while some might do it very soon. In this video, we will present you our top 5. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Let's jump right in with our first metaverse project we would like to highlight, Render Token. During the unveiling of Apple Vision Pro, Apple mentioned Octane X, a GPU rendering capability available on the Mac App Store. Octane is linked to Render because OTOI is the company behind both products. Jules Urbach, OTOI's CEO, developed Render Token in 2016. As a result, it is expected that Apple and Octane will form a relationship soon. Render is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. Leveraging the power of blockchain, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access the powerful computers needed for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network and create or rent out computational resources to speed up the rendering process. Render acts as a bridge between creatives and render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, allowing them to work together harmoniously and make rendering faster, easier, and more secure. Render also facilitates the crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas accessible to all. Render Token's GPU-powered renders are not limited to film production. They are also applicable for video game design, VR experiences, and beyond, empowering the entire media sector to produce high-quality visuals in a fraction of the time. Moreover, to incentivize people to join the network, Render Tokens reward users for contributing their computing resources to the Render network. As the demand for resources increases, the value of the token increases, creating a token reward system for creators and render nodes. Render currently has a market cap of 700 million. A market cap of 20 billion is doable in the future for this great project, and is roughly a 28x from here. As our second metaverse project, we would like to highlight Decentraland. Let's start with a statement from Yemel Jardi, the executive director of Decentraland. He is bullish on Apple Vision Pro and describes what it means for the whole industry. The open metaverse needs to be based on hardware. We want to have better hardware, he said. One of the most critical metaverse difficulties addressed by the Vision Pro is the digital persona. The capacity for users to communicate virtually with one another is one of the most appealing characteristics of the metaverse. But many people find it difficult to engage with cartoon-like avatars. Therefore, users might be able to scan their faces to build digital avatars of themselves for the Decentraland metaverse. It won't be strange if, soon, you'll be able to visit your land in Decentraland using Apple Vision Pro. Decentraland is a virtual reality ecosystem where users can buy land, represented by non-fungible tokens that are pieces of the virtual map. The entire community shares the virtual reality, which incentivizes its users to operate it. While land represents ownership of a piece of the virtual world, mana is the native currency of the system, which community members can use to buy land on the marketplace. The Decentraland software offers a unique experience to users. They can communicate with others, make in-world payments, play games, and enjoy virtual content. Decentraland's decentralized governance structure is unique, with power lying in the hands of its users and mana holders. This makes it the first virtual platform of its kind where users have complete control over the ecosystem. Decentraland is an alternative VR ecosystem where users can buy and sell virtual property and real estate, play games, and use their land for anything they like, as long as the network's features allow it. The value of Decentraland comes from its technical capability and potential. The uniqueness of the project also provides more value for Decentraland and its two tokens, land and mana. The number of users and the overall demand for mana that people can use to buy a parcel in the digital VR world also gives value to Decentraland. Decentraland has a market cap of 650 million. A market cap of 15 billion is definitely possible in the future for this unique project. That is roughly a 23x from here. We would like to present the Sandbox as our third project of this video. Some supporters of the open metaverse, including the Sandbox's game co-founder Sebastian Borger, predict that the future users of Apple's Provision will be so reliant on Web3 apps and blockchain-powered experiences that Apple will be forced to embrace the technology. Borger believes that this will allow the creation of new immersive experiences that will bring us closer to the metaverse, opening up new opportunities for artists. So what is the Sandbox? It is software running on Ethereum that operates a decentralized virtual gaming world. At its core, the Sandbox is a game in which players can buy digital plots of land, called land, and create experiences on top of them to share with other users. In this way, the Sandbox is one model of a blockchain-based metaverse in the same vein as Decentraland. In addition to the NFT-type land token, the Sandbox has two other native tokens that govern the operations in its metaverse: sand and asset tokens. Sand tokens are used to facilitate various transactions that are part of its gameplay, including purchasing land, interacting with user-generated content, and staking it to participate in the governance of the DAO. Asset tokens are NFTs representing in-game items such as equipment for avatars and creations that are used to populate land. They can be traded in the Sandbox's marketplace. Users further engage with its ecosystem using Ethereum wallets that hold their sand tokens. Developers are also free to innovate within the Sandbox's platform by designing the animation and interactions experienced on their virtual real estate using several tools, including the voxel editor and game maker. With the editor, users can create voxels, the smallest unit of 3D design, to design and bring to life creations like flora, fauna, and avatar-oriented equipment. GameMaker is a tool that allows users to build 3D games on their land, using assets they created or bought on the marketplace. Sandbox has a market cap of 725 million. A market cap of 20 billion is definitely possible in a bull run. That is almost a 28x from here. We would like to highlight Wilder World as our fourth project. Wilder is a revolutionary platform that merges the capabilities of cryptocurrency and NFTs to create an entirely new and convenient environment for its users. With its artist guild, it offers an unparalleled and ultra-realistic NFT and metaverse experience. Wilder is like a vast, exciting, and sophisticated art gallery that exists as NFTs, where every single piece of art is available for purchase. Whether you're an art collector or just someone who appreciates creativity, Wilder has something for you. But that's not all. Wilder also takes advantage of the intense creativity and authenticity by providing a metaverse controlled by all Wilders of the world. This allows users to feel empowered and free to produce exactly what they want. The platform employs a 5D photorealistic metaverse that makes use of Wilder tokens for transactions. The tokens are not only used to power the platform's NFT and crypto marketplace, but also serve as a governance utility. This ensures that the platform is always community-driven and responsive to the needs of its users. Wilder also combines fashion, art, photography, and technology into its operation. The platform collaborates with well-known digital creatives in the crypto space to provide users with an unparalleled experience. In short, Wilder is not just a platform. It's a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for creativity, authenticity, and innovation. Wilder World has a market cap of 90 million. A market cap of 5 billion is not crazy to think of in a bull run, which is a 55x from here. As our final metaverse project, we present you Alethea AI. Combining AI with NFTs is not a new concept. It is already being used in various areas such as NFT art and music. However, Alethea wants to take this fusion to a new level by introducing a new kind of smart assets. These assets are equipped with AI personality traits and have the ability to grow and evolve based on the data they consume. Through its innovative protocol, Alethea is working on making NFTs even smarter and more interactive. In fact, it has already developed the iNFT standard, which incorporates artificial intelligence into NFTs to provide additional features such as animation, interaction, and generative AI capabilities. By leveraging the iNFT protocol, developers are able to create, train, and monetize their INFTs. All of these exciting developments are taking place in the Alethea Metaverse, known as Noah's Ark, which has a grand mission to both preserve and evolve the culture and collective intelligence of our species. In this way, Alethea is at the forefront of a new era, where AI and NFTs are being combined to create intelligent assets that can truly revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world. Alethea is one of the best smaller metaverse and AI projects out there right now, and currently has a market cap of 70 million. A market cap of 10 billion is doable in the future for this unique project, and is a crazy 142x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the crypto trends.